Hello, again, take two. This is the new panel I have set up. Yeah, this is pretty much a new panel I set up. Yeah, so this is my new system, not like the board down here. Last video I made. Anyway, this is the system. Right now it's freezing out here. Anyway, this is the system. I got a Silent Night panel, a Silent Night notification device, a Silent Night power supply. This is just the power supply. It says Susie's Fire Sprinkler there. And a 270 OSPO pulse station, which I am not going to set it off. Let's have a look. No. I'm not going to set it off. Maybe we'll have a drill soon, later in the month. But I'm not going to set it off. Yeah, so I got my Wheelock AS right here. A new Wheelock AS, that's a new one. I got another AS right here, and another. I got these for Christmas. I got 3 new Wheelock AS's. Actually, I don't think. Yeah, this is the bad one. I wonder where. Yeah, this is my new Wheelock AS. And I got a whole bunch of strobes too, and RSS's. I may put it up on the system. Yeah. That's a siren right there. Anyway. Yeah, this is my whole system setup. Yeah, so that's the whole setup. My new fire alarm system. Yeah, so thank you for watching, you guys. Subscribe to Susie's Fire Sprinkler.